bersyukur nak Islam jong unong san Hima.
Years ago, back then, the space wasn't ready, the toilets are not ready. There's a whole chunk of people who are rightfully sick. They have lost 2 weeks of running. Who will take responsibility for that? Kawan suk habaq bersang ban pengen ki konti ki dinaya ki COC arta yo ki be okamai hok ki ba ki dong di Madan manu ban ai ki Ïakren ni kata kasi pau hajar kamla ban sustain tang si tayo ro ye ki kalong kamla kalalong da kali ka protest kalong ba ni ki citizens ki ba babat ya kaan ila ong nya jai ka tong kaan ready to ya force contribution support kajakatang ban ready par pa ready ki ba bon balai ki ba dei hok ban yo ki pat yo kadon ka jingle Thok ru namal ba ki pen kulma mang ni na office municipal ki khot individually ki bre phone di ICUV ka bam dei ka ru ko ta namal bang ni kwa kanu ko kam corruption halor ka ha ka kapteng jo kinong di Madan mentapat Ïakren sa media banyak penki sa Kiwei kita apa ke PTVC keempat Shong dibitik apa ke PTVC keempat Shong impat Ïakren kalau Kiwei kita kuno dia bernyamban penki pen minum saya kita nama bakal tukar list kalau meeting kong keempat don ke claims and operations keempat don ke proses dibitik hal kita Mentang ila dawa kan sin ka city kan mangi mga ini ngede ki member PTVC pia ya jangi kim khot PTVC ka bamut ayu kan PTVC ni ba company ka ba tang mangi ila dawa tang hak por bashir ki pun ki kan ram ni apin poi city from sapi tinda de ba perfect kya adin khot mu ke PTVC banyak pej halor PTVC ratio menti but jing movie de jong jing menti kalong ban yo le kambo but ya kata tingin ma apa yang as law abiding citizens we cannot tolerate that the law is being subverted we cannot it's a dangerous precedence la like akila ban subvert ya ka Street Vendors Act 2014 about very clearly the things have been laid down very clearly the hawkers group citizens are cooperating as per that law. You still can subvert it. That means other laws in this town will not prevail. And it's a very, very dangerous precedent. Very dangerous. That law prevails, but the implementation of that law is in the breach more than following the Kyndang. Hapor kami kendrum dari bakal Thmu kalong kabasay kabasnur kabakod haba mangigi member TVC yang pat kata ka TVC kan ayu ti nampan bansong dalam kam bansong baro si niat bangin tendang it should have been a smooth transition namang mangi nadu 2016 baling ilet chiyeng syari ban pentri kam ya kaan Reha pa pentri kami kaan ka ba matik jai nan ba kata hapor pangyali kung sa thiru kan long ka ba jai da ka ba yakaman ba risa wala abyang lo ki imdon iwei ru I basa din namar mentapi kidang bun gitu ki badai hok ban yo kimyo man syong kila alut dakap poi dakat no tayo mentaki do kan syong ti itai kami baret ka TVC kala di ban penbek kim khot TVC ka ba